Raquel Abrantes, and Regional Director Reynaldo Cristobal, and other PRC delegates, officers and members of the BPOQ led by Chair Alvin Toledo, esteemed guests, and most importantly, our new professionals and their loved ones.
Thank you very much. Directors Raquel Abrantes and Reynaldo Cristobal of the PRC, colleagues from the embassy, led by our Vice Consul Jeff and Labat Ed from the Migrant Workers Office, officers and members of the Philippine Professional Organization Qatar, or PPOQ, led by Chair Alvin Toledo, and the individual professional organizations represented here tonight. To our special professional licensure examination passers from Qatar and their families and friends, Assalamualaikum, good evening, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. On behalf of the Embassy of the Republic of the Philippines, allow me to extend my sincerest congratulations to all the SPLE passers from Qatar. This oath-taking ceremony is a testimony to the hard work, dedication, and the time you have spent to review and ultimately to pass your respective examination.
Thank you very much, Sir Mike. Magandang hapon po. Gabi na pala. Magandang gabi sa ating lahat, mga kababayan. Assalamualaikum. On behalf of the Professional Regulatory Board of your various professions and the PRC Commission proper, headed by the Chairperson, Honorable Attorney Charito A. Zamora, Commissioners, Honorable Attorney Erwin M. Enad, and Honorable Architect Conrado P. Onglao, and of course, Assistant Commissioner, Honorable Lord Ruby Valera. Allow me to acknowledge our dignitaries. To the Ambassador of the Philippines to the State of Qatar, His Excellency Ambassador Mardumel Stelo D. Manicor. To the Labor Attaché 2 of the Migrant Workers Office, Doha, Honorable Attorney Eduardo. Of 42.22%. Please take your seats. Hindi ko na po kayo isa-isahin kung ilan ang pumasa per profession. Medyo madami-dami po. But I have the list